Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Paychex mobile app to bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Paychex mobile app on your device. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the withdraw option in the menu. Tap on withdraw to proceed. Select the bank account you wish to withdraw funds to. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Review the transaction details displayed on the screen. Ensure that all information is correct before proceeding. Tap the Continue button to move further. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the steps to complete the verification process. Once verified, review the confirmation screen. Tap Confirm to finalize your withdrawal. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your withdrawal was successful. Check your bank account in a few business days for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's support section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.